I want to show you how to diagnose a sticking brake. Look at this. It's really very hard to turn, and we are already on neutral. So neutral, this should be a free wheeling wheels, but look at that. It's stuck. So let's open this and let's check what's going on in this. Okay. Because this car has been sitting for a while, might be the sliding pin. So let's open this. Let's open it. Come on, come on. There you go. Let's see how the sliding pin look like. I had a feeling that's the cause of this sticking brake. Good. There we go. Woohoo. Oops, not. No, sliding pin is good. Okay. Let's see from here. Oh. I think brake is really worn. Wow. How about the rotor? Rotor is not that bad. Okay, let's check. No, sliding pin is okay. It's just that we had a worn brake pad. Is that makes the, you know, brake stick. Anyway, let's put more lubricant for the meantime. Some brake lubricant. Same thing that we need to sometimes when you push the piston, makes it will fix the problem. So this one needs a C-clamp. There you go. With the C-clamp. Right, let's press the piston. Just double check. That's good. Whoa. So, oh my god, I think we had a stuck caliper. It won't go in. Oh, the smoking. Wow, yeah, oh yeah. Look at this. I'll show it to you. So we had a stuck. We had a stuck piston, brake piston. Look at this. It's rusted inside. Should be. This should be shiny. Look at this. Oh my god. So, a stuck piston. That's how you diagnose a sticking brake. It's not always the sliding pin. This one, we couldn't push it in. Yeah, this is just the diagnostic part. But also, we need to replace the pad. Okay, that's it.